Good evening, everybody. This is the Sacred Silver Yoshi, and here's hoping that this stream is working better than before, because frankly, I'm not used to using this computer for it. So as you can tell, I've been working on something, and, well, I'm working on it, aren't I? So, the hell? Oh, yes, mobile dashboard, that's right. Let me just put that on. So I'm trying to make a parallax scrolling background currently. What? Oh, one moment. What? Hold on. Now, alright, alright, I need to put this back over there. Actually, before I do that, I need to put it back. And set this to that, no, to that. Alright. Alright. Let's see.
Chat, I get it, he's a mod.
But no.
Still trying to block the mod. Come on.
Alright. I'm trying to get into step events for my background layer. Alright. Let's turn that down a little bit. Okay. You know what? Let's just run it real quick. So basically, it follows the mouse. Press the up arrow, I move. And space key to fire. I will probably be changing a lot of things. I'll hit the top of the screen. Oh, I did break it. Alright. So I am moving. As long as I don't hold the space key, I will not actually adjust my movement. I said space when I meant up. But at least I can tell that I'm going somewhere. Which was my problem before. And while I would like a parallax scrolling background, I will figure out how to do that later. Hello? I think I'm going to move the fire controls to the left mouse click. Don't know if you can see it, but I am picking up the little pebbles that break off from the rock when I destroy it. Alright. Close that out, close that out, go back to my main workspace. Close that now, don't need it open. Alright. Next thing I need to do is set up what's it called? I'm going to hilariously misspell these and not on purpose. Alright. Just call rock. Iron. Copper. Gotta open up my little website. So it turns out the idea for this game is actually something we are trying to do, which I will explain as soon as I get the information that I'm looking for. I know I bookmarked it. Bookmarks. Because I knew I was going to need it for reference. Alright. Maybe I should keep it a little bit. You know what? Lithium. Cobalt. Gold. Silver. And platinum. There's an I in platinum. Alright, so the idea being you're harvesting these asteroids for just rocks for general construction and the various rare metals for straight for the purpose of harvesting them. Alright, now that I have that, I need to do the same thing for small rock. I've got quite a bit more in here. Okay. I should not name it rock. Because rock is a general term that I use. Let's call it stone. Stone is better. Doesn't need to be any particular kind of stone. I don't have that information. I could probably find that information if I wanted to. Okay. What other ones did I have on the pebble? Copper, lithium, cobalt, gold, silver, and platinum. Cobalt, silver, gold, and platinum. Alright, and they will do nothing right now. Okay, with that said, I need to assign them values in the beginning. And I do that. Excuse me for a minute, I need to close my door. Alright. Alright, we're gonna go to game. Step. What do I have? Alright. Not messing with that. I probably need a new script for this. I definitely need a new script for this. Okay. Okay, let's see. Spawn. Respawn type. Do I already have that? Spawn. Yes. Rock spawn. Let's create layer. Creates a pebble. Creates a pebble. Small rock. Alright. To remember how to pass variables to it, I am still learning how to do this. So, this is a learning experience for me. That's what I was looking for. Call it after calling arranging. Do. Alright. So I need to add those variables into there. How do I sign? Alright. No, because then I have to call those, don't I? That's not going to work. It's 5 plus difficulty. I need to define that better. I really need to define my stuff. Okay. 3 slashes in that description. And create event. Just the camera settings. Rock type equals 1. Alright. I need to work on this more often too, so I don't forget what I did.
No!
Hello? We might, but I don't know if it's still good. No. Bye. Alright, these I know what they do. These two, I definitely know what these two do. They set how quickly and these are for adjusting difficulty mid-game. Okay. It's less than 1, pebble gravity equals 0. Check something real quick. First. Don't need this anymore. Delete. Because that's all handled by the mouse now. Delete. Okay. Okay. Let's check the thrust. Move wrap. Shake. Stop. Alright. Is that? Is that? Check. Collision event pebble. Alright, go to the pebble. That's for tracking score. That's what pebble grab is. Okay. Go back to game. And catching a pebble makes another thing spawn just a little quicker. Alright. So, I have this really weird. Go back to my script. Okay, switch spawn. Okay. You know what? We're probably just going to do a new spawn. No, this is new spawn. Okay. So, need to declare a variable in script. Oh, god damn it. Yeah, it doesn't like the way I name my stuff. Yeah, I cleaned all that up. Oh, that's why. Okay. Integer. score first. Call that equals 0 just so it doesn't yell at me. Score iron 0. I have 2 underscores. Shame on me. Copper. Probably don't even need the underscore. I wonder if I don't need the underscore. Alright. Equals 0. Okay. Bar. Cobalt. Equals 0. Bar. Silver. 0. Gold. 0. Alright. Okay, range 1 through 100. Do a little math real quick. Calculator. There we go. Alright, I got 6 variables, 7 variables in here. Okay. So, 100 minus 3 would be 70. Minus 20. Okay. Copper. 30% for stone, 20% for iron. Let's go 10% for copper. 10% for cobalt. Okay, I have 30 points to play with here. You know what? Instead, set these. 20, 10, so that's 60. 10 leaves me 7, we're at 70. So we'll take this and make it 15, 25. So 30, 55, 70, 80, 90, 10 points left. We'll go 7 and 30, 55, 70, 80, 90, 97, 100. Alright. That's an interesting drop table. Okay. And then we'll name drop. Whoops. Drop equals 0. Okay. Zero. No, sorry. 1, 2, 100. Okay. 0 to 100. So basically, this one right here, I think sets for the horizontal border, whereas this one will set for the vertical border. So it'll spawn a pebble anywhere on the top. This one spawns it anywhere on the right side. And on creation, they set their own speed, rotation, and direction. Okay. Excuse me. Need to have one more variable on here. Equals 0. New spawn. Actually, I can add weight into there. So anytime it calls for rock spawn, it'll also call for a weight. No, this is new spawn. So I don't need... Yes, I do need weight. Because rock spawn will determine whether or not it's a small rock, or a pebble, a small rock, a big rock, or a huge rock, and all of them have different values. Alright. Enter. Copy. Paste. Paste. Keystone equals 0. What's going on outside? I'll be right back. I saw something very... Strange vehicles driving around the area. Always worth checking out. Okay. Copy. Enter. Paste. Copy. Enter. Paste. 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 D. Add D. Why is cobalt up there? Okay. Stone, D stone, iron, D iron. Delete. Paste. Copy. Whoops. Enter. Paste. Add D. Add D. D. Add a D. Add. Whoops. Not there. Add a D. Alright. So, basically what I wanted to do is grab a random number. Okay. Yeah, I need to add weight into the call, which means before I can test anything, I have to go find every call. There we go. Okay, drop equals random range. Is I actually don't even need platinum on there. Should be. Okay. We'll get rid of that. This is a 0. Backspace. 0. 0. Alright, stone equals 30, D stone equals 0. Iron equals 25, D iron equals 0. Copper equals 15, D copper equals 0. Cobalt equals 10, D cobalt equals 0. Silver is 10, D silver 0. Gold 7, D. Alright. Okay. If is greater than 97. Yes. Just make sure I got that right. 30, 55, 70, 80, 97. Yes. I random rage 100. Perfect. Okay. Actually, rock spawn could literally just be the weight. I don't need the weight variable. I do need the weight variable because that issues a type. Shame on me. Alright. It's greater than 97. Chunk. Chunk. Okay. So that puts that inside of there. And the structure. Let's see, that was straight there. There is no comma after it. It's just, yes, there is a comma after it. Alright. If I did that right, when it spawns that rock in that spot, it will add 1 platinum to, or sorry, if it spawns the pebble, it will add 1 platinum to its value. Copy. Comma. Okay. Now,
Sorry.
alright. Add a tab here. Tab there. Else if drop is greater than 90, double spaced. Paste. Gold. Actually, I don't need any of those variables up there. I'm just adding a number and telling it what to do at a specific number. So I can delete all that. I came up with all of that for nothing. Only thing I need is drop. Actually, that back there. That there. Clean that up just a little bit. Alright, 97, 90, paste. Okay, actually I should have kept it there. We're going to do that. We'll delete that afterwards. Just so I have the reference. Okay, greater than 80. What's it doing here? Unreachable code. Why is it unreachable? What's the difference? So, drop. So I random range 100. If drop is greater than 97. Yeah, that'll do it. Copy. Enter. Paste. So if it's greater than 70, it's silver. When you get tired of watching me mumble to myself at my computer, feel free to say something. Ah, very good. Apparently I'm not talking enough because someone did say something. Alright. So basically I'm creating a drop table for how each of these rocks spawn and what they're worth when they're collected. Specifically, I have one pebble going. The objective of the game is to farm these asteroids for materials that you sell. So I have to define what is in the pebble to know that you collected it. Alright. I will, however, try and speak up. Okay, enter. Paste. Silver. Go to cobalt, which is down 10. 70, so that makes it 60. No. Okay. Stone is less than 30. Iron is less than 55. Copper is less than 70. 80, 90, 97. So, less than 70. No, greater than 97. Greater than 90. Greater than 80. Greater than 70. Silver. So then, 30. 55. 70. 90, 100. Why am I having trouble thinking? Gold. There it is. That's what's going on. This is silver. which makes this cobalt. Which makes this one copper. And this is greater than 55, I think. Followed by greater than 30, which will get you. What is this down here? Oh, that's what that is. Case 2. Get rid of that. Okay. Greater than 30 would be copper. Cobalt. Okay, iron. Okay. And then enter else. You know what? Just drop if. Stone. I did have stone up here, right? Yes. Alright, now that I have all that, I can drop the drop table. So basically what this is going to do is if rock type equals 1, it's going to pull a random number between 1 and 100. If that number is greater than 97, it spawns a pebble with 1 platinum loaded into its value. If it's greater than 90, it'll spawn the same pebble, except it'll have gold, and so on and so forth, down the list, until it gets to the bottom where if it's less than 30, well, actually, if it's less than 31, it will just, it's a regular stone. It's the cheapest material you can sell. Okay. Now, we're going to copy all of that. Okay. Delete. Paste. Case 2. I gotta change the variable over here. I think I actually expanded the room too. Check that. Yep, it's 20,000 instead of 2. So that needs another 0. All of these up here need an additional 0. Okay. That drops to 0. Copy. Yoink. Paste. No. Paste. Wrong button. No, that is supposed to be there. Why is this not happy? Because I have an extra. This is right there. Now we have an extra there. Alright. And then it breaks from there. Alright. All those variables I deleted before, I gotta retype those out because I did need them. Yeah, Krillin likes sending me the beans. Actually, one of those beans was warning me that I need to plug it in. And I should probably turn on a light. It's offline, which means the switch got flipped. I'll be right back. That's better. Okay. Excuse me. Definitions. That's right. That's right. Back to Pebble. Because it was initially rock when it should be stone. At least I know the rest of it's coded right now. Alright. Okay. Did I not write that back in? No, I did not. Don't need to. Because it's in there. Which means it'll automatically have a value passed to it when I call it. So why is it not happy? Oh, it just doesn't like how I name my variables, apparently. Is greater than 0. That is not greater than. Now I can take that whole drop table from before, replace small or O pebble with O small rock, and then add a variable change to the end. Come on. Copy. Paste. 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 All of these things are supposed to do exactly the same things as the one before, only instead of a pebble, it spawns a rock. And the rock is worth 5 pebbles when you break it. Paste. 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 Okay. 8 minus 1. Oh, that is not what I should be doing. No, no, bad Steven. Alright. Drop table. Okay. Basically, I gotta write out the whole drop table again from scratch because I need it to do something else. Which means I need all of them. I need the original variables. I don't need the D variants, though. Stone. Alright. First tab. Why does that look like I didn't call it right? I did call it right. Did I not spell it right? I did not. I added an extra M. 100. Alright. If is double spaced, 97, enter backspace a lot. Okay. Plus equals 1. Alright. not spell that right. Platinum. Case 2, case 3. Because I called it locally. Got it. Enter. Minus equals. That has to be on the end. Otherwise, it'll just keep adding shit over and over again. There's 1. Enter. Wait. Minus equals 1. Copy. Yeah, I could just do that there. Nah, that would actually take more time. Paste. Else. If 90 is that gold. Paste. 80. Silver. 80 silver, 70 gold. Yep. Paste. Don't know where my 7 went. Okay, I want to say this should be 55 for copper. Yep. Paste. 30 for iron. Wrong one. Iron. Else. Alright, weight minus 1. So, if it calls for small rock, weight should be 5. Okay. No, that one. Sure I'm doing this right. Colon. I should put these I should put these on all of those. Nope, except for that. Not that one. These two. D platinum, D gold, D silver, D cobalt, D copper, D iron, D stone. Platinum. Oops. Silver. Miser. Now I check my feather messages and make sure I don't have any unpleasant warnings. Okay. Just for the sake of it, we're going to end A here. Variable A platinum does not exist in objects variable definitions. Perfect. Okay, silver. Comma. Cobalt. Whoopsie. Alright, platinum equals D platinum, gold equals D gold, silver equals D silver, cobalt equals D cobalt, copper equals D copper, iron equals D iron, stone equals D stone. Get this whole drop table. Copy. Enter. Paste. Copy. Paste. And close bracket. Now, the fun part is, I still cannot actually test and see if this works. I have no way of checking for it, so I have to do that now. Alright, let's start with going back to game. Alright. Type it. No. I did that wrong. Go back to the script. I don't want the weight here. I do not need the weight there. I need it. I do need it up here. I do need to declare it in here. That did not need to go there. Let's go under case 3. Equals 5. Hang on a second. Oh, I didn't add the while loop up there. What? Case 3. That should fix that. I have no warnings, which means I need to come up here and do this. Copy. Paste, and this should give me an error. Yep, missing a closing bracket. Enter. Backspace. Alright. Now, if I start the game, it should run. Ooh, we have crash. Event for game variable. So reading it. Oh. New line 128. That's it for reading it. What do you mean? Did that happen when I destroy the rock? Because that shouldn't happen when I destroy the rock. Ah, I'm stuck. That's not good. Impact should. I'm drifting slowly away from it. Why did the iframes not kick in? Alright, I know what's going on here. Alright, variable, and an object, the iron. Let's set before reading it. Go to game. Why is it calling it from the game, though? Let's go to the script itself. Did I forget to add equals 0? No. Okay. Let's go check the rock. Step event. Turn that down. HP is -1. I haven't actually done that yet. And since I've got to replace that anyway, I should just delete all of this. Because I'm completely replacing that. We are just going to go. Didn't see that come up before. I need to add a tone or something every time chat comes in. Dude's over here trying to sell viewers. Alright, I need to moderate this. Don't want to reply. Dot. No. September 22nd. Yeah, this is a bot farm. This guy's a bot farm. I gotta. How do I. Chat settings. Alright, you know what? Let's try doing it through here. Okay. User actions. Delete message. That's what I wanted. No selling view follows on my channel. I am not that desperate. Pretty desperate, don't get me wrong. I am not that desperate. Alright, now that we've got that dealt with, I gotta get myself another mouse, because the mouse on my laptop that I'm streaming off of doesn't actually work. Actually, I have to find my wired mouse, because I would really prefer that. Alright, let's see what happens when we break a rock. Alright, does just destroy itself. Very good. Alright, and for right now, that's all I wanted to do. One of the things I have to work on next is making bigger rocks break into smaller rocks that distribute their materials. Okay, but that is not for now. Right now I need to test and see what's in the rock. So, small rock, add event, mouse. I want to say mouse enter is the one I want. Sure. Alarm 2. Wrong keyboard. One equals 120.
That's the bean!
Who sends it my beans? The tickety talk? No, that wasn't that. Very good. Alarm 1 equals 120. That's not what I wanted to do. Actually, draw text. Let's go. Game. GUI. Copy. Small rock. Alarm 1. Paste. X. You should move this somewhere. I'm actually really capable of seeing it. Y. No, not 7. Y. String. X scale, Y scale, and angle. Okay. Actually, okay. 30. Oops. Alright, if I did that right, and we will see if I did in a moment. First, I gotta go chase it down. I did not do that right. So we're going to copy. Nope, that is correct. Let's enter. Delete event. Yes. Mouse. Left pressed. There we go. One. 120. Okay. Left pressed. That's not doing it. So that is not what I wanted either. So let's try that one. That's not doing anything either. Hang on a second. Copy. Event. Yes. Insert. Draw. Do I have a draw GUI up here already? No. GUI. Paste. If 1 is greater than 0. Close bracket is what I'm looking for. Which means I really shouldn't need that. Just by setting the alarm should trigger it. But drawing or draw GUI will set it based on my screen. Now I gotta go find a rock. That did not work. Alright. There's another way to do this. First, we come over here, we add a new variable, GUI. Okay. It's greater than 0. Do the thing. First, we're going to delete that. Wrong alt. Okay, go to bullet. Rock. Two. No, it wasn't. Okay. No. $20. Alright. Go back to small rock. Minus equals 1. Now I just have to shoot it to bring it up. Where is my debug doing? The way I said it before, it should have popped up over the rock. Why did it not pop up over the rock? Alright, we'll give it hard values. 200, 10. 200, 40. There we go. Now I just have to move it. Okay, we'll go. First, we're going to drop this to 10. This to 40. Ooh. We'll put 200 on both of these. Choo. Alright. There's a bunch of gooey stuff I can delete off the top of the screen too, since I'm done with that. There's a rock. Okay, I need to move that further. Or 200. 200. Alright. And then it disappears after a while, which is what I want. Well, something tried. I don't know what tried. Something did. Alright, either way. Okay. Copy. Paste. $300. I'll know how far I need to set distance variables after I figure this out. Oh, definitely not that far. 240. I just need it to be readable for testing. That's better. Alright. So plus 40. Copy. Paste. Enter. Paste. Enter. Paste. Platinum, gold, silver, cobalt. Platinum, gold, silver, cobalt, copper, iron, stone. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I don't need these. Too many P's. Yay! Yep, and I am still learning, so you're going to see me staring at this a whole bunch. So, welcome, no playing, no game. I hope you enjoy, and I will probably be playing some Bloodstain here shortly, because even though I really haven't done much, I've done a lot. I just gotta finish testing this. Stone. Stone. Yeah, I've been running on this for an hour and 45 minutes now. Okay. Oh, I forgot to change. Whoopsie. To 80. 80. 320. 320. 360. 60. 400. 400. Ooh, definitely not. Wow. Alright. See what we got. That's not right. 200. Meow.
What's up?
Shoot the rock. There we go. It's not spawning on it. Why is it not spawning anything on it? Those should have values. At the very least, stone should be minimum 5. Maybe I'm not done doing this, but I will probably take about a 10-15 minute break. Because, as you heard, food's up. And a guy's gotta eat. Alright, let's go back to the spawn script. Thank you, Krillin. Okay. Is there something broken on my while loop? GML2. Statement that is iterative. Break statement, break out of the loop. Yep. Ow, that hurt. My ear just popped really hard. Yep. Start again on a new iteration. Okay. I know it passed. I know it passed the instance correctly. Or I know it passed the information to the instance. Persistent uses physics. Yeah. Oh, I know what's going on. Because they're placed in the room. Alright. They have no initial spawns. So, go to the room editor. Zoom out. How do I zoom control? Well, I'm on the background layer, aren't I? Alright, we're going to go to game. We are going to crank up the speed. So it will just start throwing stones at me. Okay. Oh, okay. So as soon as it tried to spawn something, we had an issue. Let's new line at 101. Spawn reports. But D-Stone was set. Unless I spelled it wrong. That's very possible. D-Stone. That's correct. Down to 101. S-T-O-N-E. You know what? We'll add the underscores. It means I'm going to have to add all the underscores, but I don't care. Ooh. Means I gotta add it to drop too. Oh, that's a lot. Let's see if there's a thing we can do for that. Comment the section, tab in, tab out region. Nope. No. No, I'm not messing with drop. Drop wasn't working. Or drop wasn't not working. Not messing with weight either. Okay, now this should kick over pretty quickly. Yeah, D-Platinum. 1, 3. Oh, that's right, because I didn't have the underscores under any of these before I tried to test it. See first. Get rid of that. That. Nope, that was right. Gold, silver. Silver. Hello there! I actually saw the comment this time. Alright, let's see if this works. I would like to eat. Nope. It did not work. Howdy is appropriate. Trying to make a computer do tricks is interesting. Why is this not working? Alright, you know what? Do it again. Reread the thing. Okay. 1 decobalt 1 object. That's what's going on. Okay. Just trying to pull. Oh, I bet I know what's going on. Did I not add? Oh, I can delete this. I actually don't have anything for lithium. Okay, stone, iron, copper, cobalt, gold, platinum. They're there. What's going on? Barely. And when I mean barely, I mean I know a little bit of C++, enough to get a text-based RPG going. Okay, but literally, I'm learning it as I learn GML2. Alright. So my theory did not pan out. Okay. Stone, iron, copper. It's calling from an unknown object. Try that again, read it one more time. Yeah, and it's also a little tiny bit frustrating. But the only way to learn is to practice. Okay, variable unknown object dot dstone. Not set before reading it. So it's trying to pass dstone onto something that's not supposed to have dstone. Currently in Pennsylvania. And that's about as specific as I'm willing to get to people on the internet. No offense, guy's got to keep his privacy. Alright. So, what is it trying to pass? What am I trying to pass D-Stone to? Alright. Small rock. Platinum to platinum. Gold to gold. Silver to silver. Cobalt. Copper to copper. So everything here is set. Just to make that a little easier to read. Alright, you know what? Let's try something different. Let's go to game. Spawn rock type. That's why it tried to spawn then, because I already had the max rocks in play. Alright. Set that to 2. And set that to 2 as well. Just so I don't forget to do that later. Alright. Let's see if it will pass something to a pebble. I just have to go find a pebble. Which is very hard because they are very small. Well, that's not working. Plus div speed. Why is that not increasing anymore? Nothing changed when I set these. Put that back to 4. Put that back to 4. So it's just not doing it, and it just keeps aborting before. Nice. I got a couple of friends who live out in Florida currently. I hope you enjoy the weather. I personally cannot take the heat. Alright. Okay. You know what? We're going to move this up to the top. Have it do that first. Paste. Let's see how that affects it. It's not going up at all. Why is it not going up at all? It's trying to. So it should just be trying to spawn a boatload of Oh, I've been streaming for about 2 years, year and a half, on and off. I generally stop in the summer because it just gets too warm in here for my computer to keep up. So I'm actually just like coming back online from after summer. Why is this not working? What did I break? Let's see again. So I have the variable tracker up here, which tells it where to take from as part of my debug GUI. That's how I know it's not actually working right. For some reason, it's not making it through all this step of it. You know what? What do we got going on here? Neat. Yep. You can ask me anything. Can't guarantee I'll answer it, but I will generally be honest. So. Probably should just comment all of this out until I can figure out what's going on. Besides streaming, I work at a recycling plant. Basically, I'm on post-production, packaging, and getting things sent out. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to comment this out. Yeah, it pays pretty well, all things considered. Oh, I have to put comment on every line? That sucks. Oop. Okay. Let me just comment all this out so I can see what's breaking without actually having to delete it all. How about you? How do you pay the bills? Oh, nice. Well, I can tell you, if there's one thing I am not, it is a digital artist, as proven by the fact that my rocks look like potatoes. That is my favorite joke when discussing this project. Okay. Now, as long as I don't do anything stupid, I should see, yep, that's what I wanted to see. Okay. Copy. Paste. Alright. Fixed. Okay, let's go. Copy. Paste. So if I did this right, I should just get flooded with pebbles pretty quickly. Not super fast. No. I didn't do it right because I forgot to reset. Generation is equals 1500. You know what? We're going to speed this up again. by adding a 5 here. I should have lots of pebbles very quickly. It looks like it's spawning about 10 every second. So, I guess just gotta find little bits of moving stuff. Where are my pebbles? That's the edge of the room. I have no problem taking a look at it if you want to drop a link in the into chat. And then other viewers that I have can also look at it. Why am I not finding pebbles? Meow. Alright, I'll be out in a second. Alright, that's a pebble. So my pebble creation is working.